Is you at home?
I'm alone at home.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. You got me washing. I want to put this stuff in my Hey Gina, how are you?
Hi.
I'll just get to the bar and get my friend 2 glasses of whiskey. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Fast, yeah?
Is she your sister?
Yeah, she is. I do ask.
Oh, awesome. It's just that she's so cute.
Hey.
Come on.
Go only there. Don't go there again. Don't even repeat it again. Where are you going?
Going for my tutorial. I didn't need it.
Okay. Just come back in here.
I think I have.
Reg. What are these? What are you using them for? Now tell me what you're using these things for. I'm going to show you to that. What are these things and what are you using them for?
Okay. Let's do what I do now. I'll give you half of my own.
Give me half. But this will be the last time. Huh? Reg.
I've been calling Frank. He's not even picking any of my calls.
No, he just left, but don't worry, he'll soon be back. So, why don't you come in and wait for him?
Okay, thank you. Maybe I should wait for him.
No, come on, come inside.
Sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. No.
Okay. Send me a text so I should come to the house.
Yes, she was at home a little minute ago, but she just went out to get something. Why don't you come inside and wait for me?
Is that you?
Regina.
Wait a minute. You came to my house to screen my brother in my absence.
No.
What kind of a friend are you? You know what? Before I count to 3, you're out of my house. Get out!
What? Why are you staring at me like that? You're a woman. Beg.
It's not take us to your room that messing up the compound. Frank! I hate you.